Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to do text-to-speech on CapCut. So start by adding your text at the bottom here. Now I'm just going to write, these are 2 rabbits. And now I want this to become text-to-speech. So now you can see at the bottom right here at the end of the line you see, in the very middle, it says text-to-speech. So click there. And now you have a wide range of options. I'm going to go into female. I don't have pro, so I'm going to choose a free voice. I'm going to choose charming female.
These are 2 rabbits.
And once you're satisfied, you simply click on the tick mark at the top right. And now when you play the video,
These are 2 rabbits.
you can see that we have successfully added text-to-speech.